People think cave tours and they think adventure. Everything is adventure. It's high energy and physical. And that's part of what we do, and that's what we've done a lot over the last 25 years. We started to expand our product offerings to include concerts in the cave. So you can go listen to music 10 stories underground, but you have to earn it to get there. We're doing a meditation in the cave, turning the space into this quiet, calm, digital detox. Or Halloween, we host horror movie nights in the cave. So trying to transform the space into something that connects with a wider range of people, not just the adventure enthusiasts. Right? It's great for that, but it's also good for so many other different activities. So when I took over the business, we were meeting guests in a public location. We had an older website, no online bookings. Everything was still done by email communication, and that just proved to be really slow and preventing us from growing. And so when I took over, we moved into an office space, we got online bookings, updated our website, and just generally updating our technology communication-wise and that kind of thing. So all those steps together meant we could grow quite quickly, and we did. When I took over the business in 2013, we hosted about 3,500 visitors to the cave. Last year, 2017, we were close to 7,000. The Checkfront platform overnight affected that for sure. It was actually really scary for us to think about online bookings, and that's why we didn't go that route for a long time, because with the caves, we really wanted to control the information flow to the customer. The last thing we wanted somebody to show up and not be prepared for the experience. And so it took a while for us to figure out how to deliver that information online and then incorporate the booking process. So we spent months investigating how to deliver the information, but then what platform to use. The approach that Checkfront took to the pricing and the structure, functionality, felt like it was going to grow when I did. It wasn't priced out of my reach, and when I did better, Checkfront does better, which is exactly how I wanted to see it happen. Of course, when you get that first notification in the middle of the night that somebody made a booking, you didn't have to do anything for it, that's always a pretty nice feeling. But then seeing the functionality taking place on the website, our phones are incredibly busy in the summertime. We know we're missing customers, and so to see those bookings rolling in as we're on the phone talking to other customers is, it's incredibly validating. So when we do get an online booking, we still follow up and say, hey, don't forget to bring this and this, so they still feel that human presence. But we also do reminder emails. Hey, don't forget, you've got a booking with us coming up. And follow-up emails. Thanks for coming out with us. Don't forget to leave us a review. So there's been a lot of automation that's really improved our workflow and reviews and that kind of thing. Everybody says it's incredibly easy and smooth and fast, and they're all very happy with it. I'm probably your biggest fan, or one of, because, I keep telling other people to come use it.